Hey, my name is Connor, and welcome to Crypto Empire, where we dominate the crypto markets. In this video, we're going to be discussing the altcoin season that has officially begun. We have altcoins such as Terra Luna and Solana creating new all-time highs. So to all of the bears out there that are saying that this is only a bounce before we head lower, I say that that doesn't happen when altcoins are creating new all-time highs and we have bullish chart patterns across the board. So in this video, I'm going to be discussing the altcoin season and 3 coins that I am looking at that are lagging behind and I do expect to have very explosive runs up. So if you want to know these 3 coins, be sure to stick with me until the very end of this video. And if you're new to Crypto Empire, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. Turn on all bell notifications, like the video, comment, and share it with your friends. And let the gains be with you. So to start this video off, let's take a look at the bigger picture by analyzing the overall market cap so we know exactly what is going on. We have Bitcoin trading at $45,900 and Ethereum trading at $3,150. And here on CoinGecko, the Bitcoin dominance is 42.3%. Now with that being said, this is the lower 40s. However, to get a more accurate picture, I like to use TradingView to look at the Bitcoin dominance. And Bitcoin dominance is really how we determine whether or not we are in an altcoin season or whether one will be happening very shortly. So for Bitcoin dominance, we made a lower low. So we had this support level over here at 44.5%, and we broke beneath that on the daily. We closed beneath it, and now we're retesting the breakout. So if you guys saw my live streams the past 2 weeks, you will know that I've been mentioning this trendline breakout on the Bitcoin dominance chart. Basically, where I want your eyes to focus are right here. We had a breakout and then a retest where we continued to move lower. And now it appears we're going to break through a critical support level here at 44.5%. We're retesting before another move lower. Now, this is what I see happening with the highest degree of probability. Please keep in mind, this is not financial advice. If you buy or sell any cryptocurrency, that is absolutely on you. You need to do your own research. This is for educational purposes only. With that being said, this thing does look like it may be going lower with all of these breakouts to the downside. First, the trendline break. Now we're breaking through this support down here. As we can see, it has been used multiple times as support and resistance. So that is how we know it is a pretty key level on the chart, which is why I am mentioning it to you right now in this video. So where might Bitcoin dominance go, and what does that mean for altcoins? That's a great question. I'm glad you did ask that. What I do see happening with Bitcoin dominance is we're at least going to test the low over here at 39.67%, 39.6%. And I do see us making a lower low on the Bitcoin dominance chart eventually. I'm not sure when it could happen. It can happen 3 months from now, 6 months from now. But for the time being, I do see us heading back down here to the 40 to 39%. Now, I just drew some Fibonacci extension lines on the chart to see where we may go next. Because if we look at the overall bigger picture of Bitcoin dominance, I have to go to a weekly chart to go back to 2018, 2017. So on the weekly, we can see we have lows over here at 38, 39%, and then again at 35, 36%. And our 0.27 Fibonacci extension level is over here at 37% for the Bitcoin dominance. Now keep in mind, I do see us hitting this 37% level over here, which would be on par with this lower demand zone, the lowest low on the Bitcoin dominance chart we have in history. And even just this 5% move to the previous low created in May, even just this 5% move, is going to send altcoins ballistic. Large caps, small caps, all of the alike, all the above. Even just this 5%, you're going to notice your altcoins are going to be going through the roof. Now, if we do actually create this lower low that I'm talking about over here to 37%, this is a 16% downwards move, 7 percentage points for Bitcoin dominance. This is going to be a catalyst for complete hysteria in the market. You're going to be able to feel the FOMO. The reason why I'm making this video today is because we haven't felt that extreme FOMO yet this market cycle. For everybody who's watching right now that lived through the 2017-2018 cycle, you know at the end of that bull market, the feeling in the air, it was insane FOMO across the board. People are just throwing money at everything. ICOs going nuts. And we haven't had that yet this cycle, which is why I do see us creating this lower low down here, which is going to send altcoins parabolic. So what you need to be looking out for right now is this confirmed breakout at the 44 percentile mark. And then we'll see if we do test these lower levels, which again, I do see happening. Now let's talk about my 3 altcoins. And these coins are lagging behind coins such as Luna, Solana. We can take a look at our top gainers. We have Solana, Luna right here. Both made new all-time highs in the previous day or so. And a lot of key blue chip altcoins are not moving as quickly. The first one that I want to bring up is Polkadot. So anybody that has been subscribed to Crypto Empire knows that I am very bullish on the Polkadot and Kusama ecosystems. Kusama did launch their parachain auctions a few months ago, and that is the canary in the coal mine. It's the test network for launching on Polkadot. So we're going to have the Polkadot parachain auctions coming up relatively soon, which is a very bullish fundamental narrative. And we can compare that to the technicals. We have the all-time high at $49.35. So we're still over 50% away from the all-time high, while we have altcoins such as Luna and Solana already making new all-time highs. And Polkadot, no doubt about it, is going to be here for the longer term. Now we're going to look at the price chart, and I'm going to be showing you some shorter term opportunities. Please note that yes, I am bullish on Polkadot. I do hold Polkadot, but these are kind of shorter term trading opportunities. So take with this information what you want. This is not financial advice. So we're looking at Polkadot. This is a weekly. We're going to drop this down to a 4-hour chart. And basically I want to bring to your attention, we did have, this is still an ascending wedge, an ascending triangle. We have this very strong uptrend. Now, as we can see over here, we did have this horizontal resistance. I'm going to draw a line right here. I'll make it yellow. And what we can do is we can look to the left, and we can see where that does actually match up. So first of all, clearly this is a lot of supply zones. We can see supply in here, another supply zone here. This is a support area. Now it was used as resistance. And again, there's just a lot going on at this level at $23.50, $24, right? You don't have to be spot on exactly. So this like $23, $24 level, we can see it was tested multiple times, and then we had an explosive green bullish candle upwards out of there. And now Bitcoin is pulling back, so the rest of the market is very correlated to Bitcoin, so altcoins are also pulling back. So this is a key area of $24, a key support resistance flip. And realistically, anywhere from $24 to $26, I think, is a very solid entry for Polkadot. Of course, it could drop lower, but like I did just mention, we're 50% away from the all-time high. We have parachain auctions coming up soon. We have Bitcoin dominance dropping. So with that being said, we have a strong uptrend. All these fundamental narratives. We had a breakout. Now it looks like we're going for a retest. So I do see this as a pretty good swing trading opportunity over here at these current price levels. Now, if we're going to be talking about potential places to take profit, I always tell everybody in the Discord not to overcomplicate taking profit. Just look at the chart and it'll tell you pretty much exactly what to do. So we have these long candle wicks into the area. So all I like to do is just see where these wicks are going down to and use these levels as a place to take profit. So first level is around $27.50. And then we have some more up here at $30, $31. So if you're looking for a shorter term trading opportunity, this would serve as some good levels to exit, take the chips off the table, cover your risk. But I do see this making new all-time highs. I do see Polkadot as a 3-figure coin, meaning it will be over $100. So that's my first altcoin. Second one that I want to bring up that is lagging behind is Chainlink. So we all know Chainlink. It is the main oracle in crypto. It has partnerships with every single major protocol, DeFi protocol out there, other blockchains as well. Chainlink is integrated. Chainlink is massive. It will undoubtedly at this point stand the test of time because of its massive use case and network effect. So Chainlink, we do have the all-time high at $52, and we're down 46% from there. Chainlink is currently number 13 in market cap with a $12.6 billion market cap. So we can look at the link chart, and it's a pretty similar scenario, really. Currently $27.20. So what I did draw out already here on Chainlink is another situation where we have ascending price action, where we have a strong uptrend. Now we're facing some horizontal resistance. So I can go ahead and draw this to the left, and we can see that again, there's a lot going on where we're facing horizontal resistance. So we always need to look at what's happened in the past. So we know the key levels on the chart, areas to look out for the breakouts. We're in an uptrending market. We look to trade the breakouts long. So we do have this pretty critical level here at $28. And this is clearly horizontal resistance. Reason being, we can see that these 4 candles on the daily, they're all closing at about the same level. They're not breaking through. We had a false breakout up to $30, but this long wick indicates a lot of selling. Bitcoin started to drop as well, right? Everything's correlated to Bitcoin for the most part. So we have this horizontal resistance at $28. I'm looking for the breakout of this level. Again, where to take your profits, don't overcomplicate it. I do have this level over here at $34. If you're looking for a higher profit target, we do have wicks up here at $39, up here again at $44 is the yellow dotted line, and then towards the all-time high. But again, Chainlink I also see as a 3-figure coin, over $100 at the end of this bull run. So if you're investing, nothing wrong with hodling. If you want to trade it, here are some opportunities, some levels to look out for. Moving on, my last altcoin that is a blue chip that is lagging behind is Matic, Polygon. You guys know I'm very bullish on Matic. It was one of the biggest winners. The first half of the bull run went amazing, and it is down right now 45% from the all-time high at $2.62. And again, we have altcoins making new all-time highs. These ones are down 45 to 50% from their all-time highs, and they're not going anywhere. These coins are rock solid, very strong projects. So for Matic, again, we are not going to overcomplicate things. We're going to look for our edge. And right now our edge that's been working very well, it worked very well the first half of the bull market as well, is the ascending triangle chart pattern. We're coming off a bottoming pattern, and now we are creating ascending price action. We have a series of higher highs and higher lows. And as you can see, we do also have some horizontal resistance right here at $1.50. I see this long wick, so if we're going to look for a breakout, I would probably put the breakout above the wick. The high is $1.56. Yeah, $1.56. So, $1.57 would probably be a good, entry for a breakout. Not financial advice, but regardless, we can see we have ascending price action up into this horizontal resistance. We took a few knocks at the door. Candle bodies can't close above it. So when it does actually break through on volume, we always look for volume for confirmation for our entry. We know that we're going to be able to ride this one up nicely for a beautiful swing trade. Again, profit targets, don't overcomplicate it. I mean, this is a supply zone. I'm just going to draw a line over at $1.80, $1.82. Another one up here. See these candle bodies closing at the same level, $2 approximately. And then up here towards the highs. Again, see this wick, these candle bodies close at the same level, $2.44 for another price target. And then this thing's going to be making all-time highs as well, in my opinion. So if you want to hodl, that is perfectly fine. But Matic, lagging behind a little bit. We have a bullish chart pattern on the higher time frame, which means it's a higher probability to break out. Uptrending market, ascending triangle, bullish chart pattern. Watch for this breakout. So with a lot of altcoins lagging behind the main market leaders like Terra Luna and Solana at this point in time, I did just show you my 3 coins that I am looking at for opportunities in the shorter to mid-term. They were Matic, Polkadot, and Chainlink. All blue chips, all coins that I do see standing the test of time with their fundamentals. And they're presenting to us some very strong technicals. So I hope that you did enjoy this video. Do with this information what you will. This is not financial advice. This is for educational purposes only. But if you did enjoy the video, make sure you let me know by leaving a comment down below and also liking the video. And if you're new to Crypto Empire, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on all bell notifications so you don't miss any future videos. And my name is Connor from Crypto Empire, and I will see you in the next video.